Introduction. Stay cool with these pro AC tips. Is your car's air conditioner struggling to beat the scorching summer heat? Does it feel like it's just pushing out tepid, barely cool air, even when you've got it set to max chill? You're not alone. A lot of car owners find themselves in this sweaty situation as temperatures soar. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're stuck in traffic, and the only breeze you get is warm and stale. But don't worry, there's a way to turn things around. In this video, we're revealing 9 expert tricks to supercharge your car's AC, making it blast frosty air like it's fresh off the lot. Some of these hacks are so clever that most drivers don't even know they exist. You don't have to be a mechanic or spend tons of money to get your car's air conditioning back in top form. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll be cruising in a cool, refreshing cabin, no matter how brutal the summer gets. Let's get started. 1. Change the cabin air filter regularly. One of the most overlooked yet effective ways to improve your car's AC performance is to regularly change the cabin air filter. Many car owners don't realize that the cabin air filter is like the AC's lung. It needs to be clear to breathe properly. Over time, this filter becomes clogged with dust, pollen, leaves, and even mold spores, especially if you frequently drive in dusty areas or cities with high pollution levels. When the filter gets clogged, the AC struggles to push cool air through, leading to weak airflow and warmer temperatures inside the cabin. You might notice that even though the AC is on full blast, the air coming out feels lackluster and barely cool. This is a clear sign that your cabin air filter needs attention. Replacing the cabin air filter is both affordable and simple. You can do it yourself in just a few minutes. A typical filter costs between $10 and $20, depending on your car model. Most car manuals recommend changing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or at least once a year. However, if you often drive in dusty environments or during allergy season, you might need to replace it more frequently. The process is straightforward. Usually, the filter is located behind the glove compartment or under the dashboard. Once you locate it, remove the old filter and inspect it. If it's discolored or filled with debris, it's time for a new one. Simply slide the new filter in and secure the compartment. Trust me, this quick fix will make a world of difference, allowing your AC to blow cool, crisp air once again. 2. Always use the recirculation button. Let's talk about one of the simplest yet most effective AC tips that many people overlook: using the recirculation button. That little button on your dashboard with an arrow looping in a circle isn't just there for decoration. It plays a crucial role in maintaining a cool environment inside your car. When you don't use the recirculation mode, your car's AC is constantly pulling in hot, humid air from outside and attempting to cool it down. This not only makes the AC work harder but also results in less efficient cooling. Essentially, your AC has to start from scratch every few seconds, cooling new batches of hot air. However, when you activate the recirculation mode, the system reuses the already cooled air from inside the cabin. This means your AC doesn't have to work as hard, and you get cold air faster and more consistently. You'll notice that the air becomes denser and colder within moments of hitting that button. This tip is especially useful during the summer months when outside temperatures can soar. If you're not in recirculation mode, your AC will be constantly competing with the blazing hot air outside, leading to longer cooling times and higher fuel consumption. 3. Park smart. Use shade and windshield sunshades. Let's talk about something super practical: where you park your car. It may seem obvious, but the place you park significantly impacts your AC's efficiency. Parking under direct sunlight turns your car into a blazing hot oven, especially during peak summer hours. The interior temperature can skyrocket to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or more. If you can, always opt for shaded parking spots. Whether it's under a tree, a carport, or a building's shadow, these areas significantly reduce the temperature inside your car, making it far easier for your AC to cool things down when you start driving. When shaded parking isn't available, invest in a high-quality windshield sunshade. These reflective shields block out a significant portion of solar radiation, keeping your car cooler by up to 25 degrees. Not only does this help your AC perform better, but it also protects your dashboard and seats from sun damage, which can cause cracking and fading over time. Additionally, crack your windows slightly, just enough to ensure security, to allow hot air to escape. This ventilation reduces heat buildup and keeps your car from becoming a pressure cooker. Combining shaded parking, windshield sunshades, and proper ventilation can drastically cut down on cooling time when you get back to your car. 4. Keep your AC hoses insulated now. Let's dive into a slightly technical but essential aspect of AC maintenance: your car's AC hoses. These hoses are responsible for carrying refrigerant throughout the system. Over time, they can become worn out, cracked, or lose insulation, especially in older cars. When this happens, they fail to keep the refrigerant cold, causing your AC to blow lukewarm air. Heat from the engine bay can easily transfer to unprotected AC hoses, warming up the refrigerant before it even reaches the evaporator. This heat absorption can drastically reduce cooling efficiency. To combat this, either replace old hoses with new ones or wrap them with thermal insulation tape. Thermal tape is inexpensive and can be easily wrapped around existing hoses. This extra layer helps maintain the cold temperature of the refrigerant, ensuring that your AC consistently blows icy air. It's a quick and effective fix that works particularly well in hot climates where the engine bay temperature can reach over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Regularly check and refill refrigerant levels. Your car's refrigerant is the lifeblood of the AC system. It's the cooling agent that absorbs heat from the cabin and releases it outside. Over time, refrigerant levels can decrease due to small leaks or natural evaporation, leading to less effective cooling. When refrigerant is low, the AC compressor has to work overtime to maintain cooling, resulting in decreased efficiency and potential damage to the system. That's why it's crucial to check refrigerant levels regularly and top them off if needed. Professional AC servicing includes checking the refrigerant pressure and identifying leaks. While DIY kits are available, they often lack the precision needed to properly diagnose and refill the system. Overcharging can actually damage the compressor, so it's best to leave this task to certified mechanics. If your AC isn't blowing cold air despite running normally, it's likely time for a recharge. Maintaining the right refrigerant levels not only improves cooling but also extends the lifespan of your AC components. 6. Legally tint your windows to keep your car cooler. Now, let's talk about an upgrade that's both functional and stylish: window tinting. While tinted windows undoubtedly add a sleek look to your car, they also play a significant role in keeping the interior temperature down. This is especially important if you live in an area with relentless summer heat. Tinted windows block a significant amount of solar heat. Some films can reduce heat by up to 60%, and they also block over 99% of harmful UV rays. This means that not only does your car stay cooler, but your interior also stays protected from fading and damage caused by prolonged sun exposure. The logic is simple. When your car doesn't heat up as much while parked, your AC doesn't have to work as hard to cool the cabin when you start driving. This leads to better fuel efficiency and less wear on your AC compressor. However, it's crucial to remember that there are legal limits to how dark you can tint your windows. Regulations vary from state to state and country to country, so always check your local laws to ensure compliance. Getting professionally installed, high-quality tint not only enhances your car's appearance but also keeps you comfortable and protects your investment in the long run. 7. Keep the AC condenser clean for optimal cooling. Your car's AC condenser is an unsung hero when it comes to keeping things cool. Positioned at the front of your car, right behind the grille, the condenser's job is to dissipate heat from the refrigerant, allowing the AC to blow cold air. However, because of its location, it's prone to getting clogged with dirt, leaves, bugs, and road debris. When the condenser becomes blocked, airflow is restricted, and the AC's ability to cool efficiently is significantly compromised. You might notice that your AC isn't as cold as it used to be, or that it takes longer to cool down the cabin. To keep your condenser in top condition, clean it regularly. You don't need any special tools, just a garden hose and a soft brush. Start by carefully spraying the condenser with water to loosen dirt and debris. Avoid using high pressure settings as they can damage the delicate fins. Afterward, use a soft brush to gently scrub away any remaining buildup. If your condenser has severe clogging or visible damage, it's best to consult a professional for a more thorough cleaning or repair. Keeping the condenser clean ensures that heat is effectively released, which in turn maintains your AC's cooling performance. 8. Ventilate your cabin before blasting the AC. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make during hot weather is immediately cranking up the AC without letting the trapped hot air escape first. Think about it. When your car has been sitting under the sun for hours, the interior temperature can exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Blasting the AC in this scenario forces it to work overtime to combat the furnace-like heat. Instead, take a smarter approach. Before turning on the AC, open all the windows and let the hot air escape for about 30 seconds to a minute. If you have a sunroof, open it too. This quick ventilation significantly reduces the temperature inside your car. For even better results, turn on the fan first without the AC, allowing fresh air to circulate and push out the hot air. Once the initial heat has dissipated, close the windows and switch on the AC. You'll notice that the cabin cools down much faster, and your AC system doesn't feel as strained. This simple pre-cooling trick not only helps maintain a comfortable temperature but also prolongs the life of your AC compressor, which doesn't have to work as hard right from the start. 9. Don't skip regular AC maintenance checks. Last but definitely not least, prioritize routine maintenance for your car's AC system. You wouldn't skip an oil change or ignore a warning light, so why neglect your AC? Regular maintenance not only ensures peak performance but also helps you detect issues early before they escalate into costly repairs. Key maintenance tasks include checking the refrigerant level, inspecting the compressor for leaks, and examining the AC belt for signs of wear. An annual AC service from a professional can go a long way. During these checkups, technicians will also inspect the blower motor, evaporator, and condenser, making sure everything functions correctly. In addition to professional maintenance, there are small habits you can develop to extend the life of your AC system. For example, avoid constantly running the AC at maximum settings, as this can strain the compressor. Instead, start with a higher temperature setting and gradually decrease it as the cabin cools. Also, turn off the AC a few minutes before you reach your destination, leaving just the fan running. This practice allows the evaporator to dry out, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth inside the system. Bonus tip: use AC enhancers for extra cooling. If you're looking to boost your AC's performance even further, consider using AC enhancers. These are sprays or treatments designed to clean the evaporator coil and improve airflow. Simply follow the product instructions. Usually, you spray it into the air intake while the AC is running. This can help remove dust and bacteria that accumulate over time, keeping your system clean and odor-free. Plus, it enhances the cooling efficiency, especially if your AC has been feeling a bit sluggish. Why you should keep your car AC in top shape? Besides comfort, maintaining a well-functioning AC system also affects your vehicle's overall health. When the AC struggles, it puts extra strain on the engine, leading to higher fuel consumption and potential mechanical issues. Additionally, an efficient AC system helps maintain optimal cabin humidity, reducing the risk of mold growth and foul odors. Regular maintenance also keeps you from getting stuck on a sweltering summer day with no cooling. It's about more than just comfort, it's about reliability and safety, particularly when driving in extreme heat. Final thoughts. Stay cool and drive smart. There you have it. 9 expert tips to ensure your car's AC blows ice-cold air, keeping you cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. By incorporating these simple maintenance practices and smart driving habits, you can extend the life of your AC system and enjoy a refreshing ride all summer long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay chill, drive safely, and see you in the next video.